BMW launches its highly anticipated summer engineering updates, introducing fresh technology, stunning design packages, and highly efficient powertrain innovations.
BMW drops its major summer updates, highlighted by the all-new electric Neue Klasse iX3 40 entry-level model.
The advanced artificial intelligence-based BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant makes its official grand debut inside this specific vehicle model. A highly efficient, electrically excited synchronous motor is seamlessly integrated directly into the vehicle's robust rear-drive axle assembly.
This smart assistant takes voice interaction between humans and vehicles to a completely new level, using natural conversations today.
The upgraded system easily understands complex natural language commands and intelligently recognizes context during your everyday driving journeys smoothly. The exterior profile commands attention, featuring gorgeous 21-inch M aerodynamic wheels styled in striking jet black finish. Every single engineering component is meticulously designed around an ultra-advanced 800-volt high-voltage technology hardware architecture. This advanced electric motor delivers a maximum output of 235 kilowatts, or 320 horsepower. The rear wheels are driven by a massive 500 Newton-meters of instantaneous torque for rapid power delivery. By utilizing powerful Amazon Alexa Plus artificial intelligence technology, it truly becomes a brilliant, smart, everyday driving companion system.
It features the radically new 6th-generation BMW eDrive technology developed specifically to power the incoming Neue Klasse lineup.
The premium vehicle accelerates flawlessly from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in exactly 5.9 seconds.
Older vehicles produced before mid-April will receive these incredible features via remote software updates starting late May, seamlessly.
It achieves an electronically limited top track speed of 200 kilometers per hour, with exceptional high-speed stability.
Further models featuring Operating System 9 and the Advanced Operating System X will incorporate this later this year globally. The new Operating System X offers amazing options, allowing users to easily create their own customized daily routines effortlessly. The onboard high-voltage battery features an efficient usable energy capacity of 82.6 total kilowatt-hours. It provides an outstanding maximum driving range of up to 637 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. Recharging becomes incredibly fast because the system can be replenished at speeds up to 300 peak kilowatt rates. State-of-the-art electronics and advanced software architecture deliver an unprecedented level of pure signature BMW driving pleasure.
Customers can select from 9 attractive BMW individual special paint finishes to customize their luxury electric Neue Klasse SUV.
Beautiful exterior finish options include Orinoco Pearl Effect, Sepang Bronze, Grigio Telesto, Java Green Metallic, and Voodoo Blue Solid. This eco-friendly electric vehicle produces exactly 0 grams per kilometer of carbon dioxide emissions during daily driving operations. Because of its fully electric powertrain, and the vehicle proudly achieves a highly desirable official Class A emissions rating certification. The intelligent assistant carefully analyzes your daily usage patterns to proactively suggest routines that simplify recurring everyday tasks automatically. Drivers can specify exact conditions under which specific actions are performed automatically to enhance overall daily driving comfort significantly. Beyond this stunning model, BMW is also introducing a dynamic black package for several other performance Grand Coupes globally. The exciting optional new black package adds dramatic motorsport-inspired carbon fiber details to performance sedan and coupe interiors. This package is specifically available exclusively alongside the premium M Sport Package Pro, featuring striking red painted brake calipers. Exterior enhancements include exclusive black model badges and beautiful 19-inch M-Lite alloy wheels with mixed performance tires. Another massive summer update includes the highly anticipated patented BMW M-Ignite technology for powerful inline 6-cylinder engines. This advanced motorsport-derived pre-chamber ignition system significantly reduces heavy fuel consumption under demanding high-load driving conditions. The innovative Ignite technology plays a critical engineering role in confidently meeting the extremely stringent Euro 7 emissions standards. For added sporty flair, all X3 models equipped with M Sport packages now feature keys with M stripes. Returning to our stunning Neue Klasse electric model, and it truly represents a magnificent leap forward for luxury family transportation. Perfect for daily city driving, the advanced electric powertrain offers completely silent operation while maintaining incredibly smooth ride comfort.
Advanced adaptive suspension tuning ensures absolute handling precision through tight corners without sacrificing any premium cabin noise insulation quality. Long highway trips become entirely effortless thanks to the massive electric battery range and exceptional high-speed aerodynamic stability. Excellent rear cargo capacity and spacious seating arrangements make this electric sport utility vehicle the perfect modern family companion. Built meticulously for the entire global market, this electric marvel redefines what sustainable premium automotive manufacturing can actually achieve. Potential buyers seeking ultimate driving pleasure combined with zero emissions should absolutely consider purchasing the new entry-level variant.
From bold new exterior paint colors to revolutionary artificial intelligence integration, this vehicle clearly demonstrates brilliant future-forward thinking.
Superior overall build quality and advanced technology ensure that every single journey feels incredibly special and completely driver-focused. The impressive summer updates solidify the brand's permanent commitment to continuous innovation across their entire luxury performance vehicle lineup.
Whether enjoying rapid highway acceleration or smart advanced AI assistance, this stunning car delivers an absolutely unforgettable automotive experience.
Thank you for watching this comprehensive professional review detailing the spectacular summer updates and the revolutionary new electric model.